Alright, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 86,844 miles on the odometer. Now if you see any flickering on the screens, that's just in camera, that is not in person. First thing to note, the steering wheel is very slightly off center, but the alignment is perfect. You're going to feel the very light vibrations in the wheel, just very typical. It is really windy out today, so you're going to hear the kind of whistling in that convertible top. Hitting on the brakes kind of hard there. Brakes feel solid. A little whine in that power steering. Car sounds really good with the turbo. So now going against that wind, you're going to hear that noise a lot more. And hitting on the brakes hard there. Brakes feel solid. Just giving it a little 40-50% throttle there, not much. Car shifts really nice. Really no complaints with the drivability. Getting on it a little bit more there. Definitely wants to move out. Still being easy on it. These are really fun cars to drive. Feels good there. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now here in the front clip, you do have PPF on 1/3 of the fender, hood, and then the full front bumper. Looking at the wheels, you do have some light rash on the edge there. It kind of makes its way around. It's pretty subtle though. Looking at the calipers, a couple little markings and chips, but otherwise. Looking at that wheel from a couple feet away, that's in great condition. Now you do have some hard water spots on that film and a little bit on the paint, and you do have swirls from just everyday washing and just the age of the vehicle. You have a chip there. You can see those swirls and markings there. Here on the side mirror, you have film on it protecting it. That little pillar looks good. Upper section there looks nice. Here on that plastic, you can see that piece is cracked, and then around there, that little plastic is cracked. And you're going to see these little markings, see the little swirls and like very fine scratches throughout. Get down here, you're going to see the rock chips and the age. And then looking at this, you do have film on it. Of course, it has aged. You're going to see the flaws there. Typical rock impacts kind of peppered around that edge. Here on this wheel, you do have rash kind of all the way around. See that? And little scratches. Date code on the tire, 2022. You're going to see little markings. It's a little bit deeper there. And the paint is missing here, and that's just a marking. So that's really the only gash. Looks like you have the taillights are tinted, and I believe it's a smoked clear. I don't feel any film on that. markings. Now looking at the front end, like I said, you do have PPF. I can see some kind of bug etching and bird poop that kind of stained into that film. There is your line of where the film is. And then of course looking at the hood, you're gonna see all the swirls and stuff over the years. Now keep in mind, we do offer paint correction in-house here, also ceramic coating, and so they can work on that and really get it looking a lot better. That lens overall looks good. That lens looks good. Looking right here on that film, looks like it's fading, and I feel a lot of texture, so I'm curious if there's some scratches underneath that as well. When you have film on it, it's really hard to tell. You have rash on that front splitter. That lens looks really good. Here on that wheel looks good. Getting up close, I'm not seeing any rash there. Some markings. Got the film there. That A-pillar looks good. This PPF looks like it's in better condition. It's not as kind of hazy and cloudy. You can see this trim piece. See, it's popping out. Get your finger in there. So about right here to there, it is popping out. There is a dent there. Typical swirls. A little bit of rash on that wheel. And then you can see the center caps. They're kind of delaminating. Look like they've been repainted at some point. You're going to see the little dimples and texture in the paint. And it also looks like the back bumper has been painted at some point. But this one's kind of the worst. You can see all of the dimples and kind of trash on the paint there. That one's not as bad. Little scuffs and scratches. You're going to have them on there. Most of it's pretty subtle. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. You got the automatic, all black leather. Here on this door panel, you're gonna see the wear on that grab handle and the little fingernail scratches kind of throughout. That works great. Got the memory seating. Typical wear for the age, mainly in that spot though. Little scuffs here and there on that trim. You can see the clear coat is chipping away right here on that little edge. Looking at the seat, typical wrinkles and not full cracks yet, but you can see the forming of them. You're going to have wear on that edge. You're going to see the discoloration here over the years of the seat belt. I don't see any rips or tears though on that seat. Looking at the steering wheel, light little markings. The middle looks good. That looks nice. Trying to scan through that upper side of the dash. From what I can tell, that looks really good. Little spots on the screen. A little bit of wear. And of course, this material always has little scuffs and scratches. The top works great. Here on this door panel on the upper side, that looks good. Some light scuffs here and there. That opens really good. That It's nice and clean. Carpets are in great condition. Typical little scuffs there. Looking at that carpet, that looks good. Now you have your wrinkling and your flaws and your age on the seat, but I don't see any big rips or tears. Here on the console, these are very common to have these gashes and scuffs all throughout that material. You can have some wear on the glove box, some little scratches. Scanning through the upper side of the dash, overall that looks good. Got some markings here. You're gonna see this is kind of dingy, probably some sun damage a little bit. See some dimples in the seat. That carpet looks good. Here on the seat back, you got some little dimples and things like that. All right, checking out the front. All of that plastic looks really good. You got your book here, and then it looks like the module here for the CD player, I believe. So that'll be here in the front. All of that looks good. Underside of the hood, that looks nice. All right, gonna scan through the engine bay. Kind of get up close the best I can. And then while we're in the car, you can see the window tint here does not go all the way to the edge. You're going to see that gap. Checking out the top, you have a little bit of foam kind of coming out right there. The rest that looks good. Got the tempered glass. Do see, if you look at that right angle, you can see some stains and little markings, but I don't see any rips. You see that same circle, so it's probably something from the factory when it sits in the top there. Same thing there. It's just something that looks like it rubs when the top goes down. Besides that though, that's in great condition.